Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to set alerts or alarm on your trading view. Let's say that you're a trader and you're not always at the charts and you want the price to get at a particular point, then you want to come and check if you want to execute a trade, or you want to use and confirm a particular confluences to execute a trade. Then setting an alarm on your trading view is very important for you. So in this particular video, I'll direct you on how to do it on your phone. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's go back to the screen. So first thing is just for you to open your TradingView app. Once you open the TradingView app, so this is exactly how it look like. Then next thing you should do is just go to this particular place where they wrote this three dots that is horizontal. You can see it there. Then click on it. Once click on it, then you need to scroll down to the particular place where they wrote alerts. You understand? Once you click on that alert, then these options will come out, this symbol will come out. First thing you need to do here, just to click on that particular place where they wrote create alerts. If you click on create alerts, now it will take you to the next interface. At this particular place, this is the place where you fill the details of how you want the alert to be like, how the timing and the rest of it. Let's go ahead and place it. And the first time is price. Do you understand? Of course, it is always with price. When the price gets to that particular place. Next thing is crossing. Either the price is coming there from up or it's coming there from down. Next thing is the value. Let's say I want TradingView to alert me once the price gets to 4645. Do you understand? I've increased it from 4643 to 4645. Now, the next thing now is trigger. This particular period they wrote once only. Like, should it trigger once only, or do you want it to keep triggering anytime that the market happens to come to that particular place? So we set it at once only. Just if the market gets there, it will trigger, then it will alert us, and then we'll go and know if we should execute a trade or if we should not execute any trade. But if you set it as every time, that means every time in the next 2 years, if price gets to that particular place, it will still alert you again. So that one is not necessary. Then expiration date is when you want it to expire. Let's say the price did not get to that particular place today or tomorrow, like you would like it to expire. That's when you set it expiration date. The expiration date here is 23rd of September, which is next month, and this is just August 22nd. So it doesn't matter anyhow. You can set it, but that one doesn't actually matter. The next one is usage, is crossing. Do you understand? The next one is notification. The notification, this one is very important. How you want TradingView to notify you. The market have actually gotten to your own points of interest. Then for push notification, this one say provides a push notification in your mobile app. So on my phone now, I will get notification. It's already ticked automatically. Now the second one says show those notification on desktop. Display on onset notification in your page corner. You can see tick it. Send email. I don't want that one. Next one is send post request on specified URL. So I don't need that one. Next one is play sound on desktop. Now and here you notice that they say play sound on desktop. This shows that the sound cannot be played on phone. You can easily set the sound I want. Let's say I want a sound from voices, and the voice should say, hey, take a look. They say play sound on desktop. So if you're using a desktop, you're likely to get this particular sound. Then for how long would you like the sound to last? You understand? You can put it as 10 seconds, or 10 seconds is okay, or you can put it at 5 seconds. If you're going to sleep, you can increase it so that the thing will keep repeating until it wakes you up. So notification is 247, and once you finish filling all these details, you go ahead and click on apply. Once you click on apply, then you see this black horizontal line that is here. You understand? That black horizontal line, that's the point at which if the price gets to that particular place, then you're allowed to be triggered. If you're using your phone, then a notification will be sent to you. Then if you're using your system or your laptop, then you are likely to get some more notification that like sounds. Do you understand? Like if you're using your desktop, you are likely to get sound, because that's what they set while we are doing the settings. So that's it, guys. Just in case if you need signal to grow your account, you can join my Telegram community where we trade currency pairs, gold, and synthetic indices. And the broker are using the Deriv broker. In case you want to check out our signal, then go to the short particular video, sign up with Deriv broker, and also join our Telegram community. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to do us a small favor by liking this particular video and subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.